Hi, and welcome to the 6th chapter of our Craft CMS tutorial on tags and categories. My name is Jay Barclay, and we run Red Acorn Agency, a proud member of the Craft Partnership Program. All right, let's begin. Setting up tags in Craft is relatively simple. From the Settings page, click on the Tags icon. Then, click on the New Tag Group button. Let's call this group Color. The handle will be automatically created, and let's either click on the Save button or hit Command or Control S to save. Let's go ahead and click Tags again. Create another tag group. This time let's call this Size. To manage tags, click on the Tags menu item on the left. If you don't see the menu item, simply type /admin/tags in the address bar. We're actually looking at the Tags plugin page that we had installed earlier. Here, we can add a tag to the groups that we had created, color or size. We could also delete them, sort them, etc. Later on, we'll create a custom field so that you can add tags right from an entry form. Now let's create some categories. Like tags, creating them is straightforward. Go back to the Settings page and click Categories. Here, we can create category groups that the individual categories can belong in. Let's create the first one. Go ahead and click New Category Group. Let's call this one Breeds. The handle that we'll be using in the templates will be created automatically. You could also define the max levels or depth of the category group. Let's leave that blank. I'm going to leave the other ones blank as well. Click Save. Let's create another category group. This time, let's call it Coats. Again, leave the default values as is. Click Save. To add the individual categories to a category group, click Manage Categories. In the Coats category group, let's actually create 3 separate categories. The first one by clicking the New Category button. Let's call this Long Category. Go ahead and click Create Category button. And we have our first category. Let's create our second one. Let's call this Medium. Now there's another option in creating a category by clicking on the arrow button. Here we could select Create and Add Another, which would actually save us a couple of clicks. So let's do that. Let's call this Short and click Create Category. And there we are. We now have 3 categories in our new category group called Coats. We can assign the different categories, for example, long, medium, and short, to an entry by creating a custom field, which we will do later on in the tutorial series. Okay, that's it for Chapter 5 on tags and categories. In our next chapter, we'll create a bunch of custom fields for our content. We'll see you then.